It's time to install your Tibetan Monlam keyboard fonts and dictionary on your latest version of MacOSX, and we're going to show you how to do that. So, first thing we need is the two files. So we're going to go to Monlam IT. These are the download links. I'm going to place those links in the description below the video. So if you don't get a chance to, you could pause the video now and type it, or simply click on the links in my description. First, you're going to need to open a web browser. You can follow me, or you can use those links I've just shown you. So I'm going to type Monlam IT and search in a search engine, and Google returns monlamit.com as my first response. This is the correct website. These are the developers of these softwares. This website is all Tibetan, but that's no problem. We're going to look at the menu in the top here, and the third one from the left, and then the third selection down is the dictionary. So let's grab the dictionary first. It's going to open to the Windows page. So if we wanted to download the Windows version of the dictionary, we would select this link, but we are not going to. We're going to the second tab, which is the MacOSX for all versions MacOSX 6 and beyond, 6 to 12. So let's get that file, save that file, and then we're going to get the Monlam Bodyig 3.1, which is in this third selection and the fourth item down. And again, it opens to the Windows version. We'll go to the second selection in the tab and click the download link and OK. If you chose to use the links in my description, they won't even take you to this page. They will just open a download link to those two files. Once you've downloaded those files, there they are. The keyboard and font layout, font and keyboard layouts are 10.6 megabytes, and the dictionary is 40.6 megabytes. So open the folder where you've saved that to, and then we want to extract from these zip files, which is simple. We can either double click them, or I'm going to, on MacOSX, we can right click and open with, and the default option is archive utility, which will work. Let's do it. There we go. There's the installation package for the keyboard layouts and fonts, and let's grab the dictionary, archive utility, and there's the dictionary. So let's get straight to it. We're going to install the dictionary. Double click the program, and by default MacOSX doesn't want to open it because it's from a publisher, a developer that they don't know. So I'm going to say OK, and we're going to go into the little Apple icon and open System Preferences. From System Preferences, we want to open the Security and Privacy option and the General tab. And then if we look down here, we will see that Monlam Dictionary was blocked, but we're going to select the Open anyway, and Open, and there it is. It's ready to go. Continue, continue, continue. Yes, I agree with the terms of the license, and it gives me the 4 files that it wants to install. Continue, install. It wants my computer password. been installed. Let's check it out. So we'll find our dictionary in using the applications folder or through Launchpad. There's dictionary. Let's double click it to open. Okay, but all we have is all, dictionary and thesaurus. So where is it? Okay, we need to go into the Dictionaries Preferences and enable those new dictionaries. So with the dictionary selected, we can access the menu, click Dictionary Preferences, and then scroll down to see Monlam Tibetan to English Dictionary, Monlam Tibetan Dictionary, and Monlam English to Tibetan Dictionary. Check those three boxes and close that little window. Now they all appear here. So if I wish to convert an English word into Tibetan, I wouldn't select the Monlam Tibetan Dictionary. Instead, I would select the English to Tibetan Dictionary. Let's try it and see if it works. Let's try the word karma, and it will give me a Tibetan definition, the word and the definition. Okay, dictionary's installed. That was easy. Let's close that. So, we couldn't type a Tibetan word into the dictionary yet because we haven't yet installed the font, Tibetan font and keyboard layout. So we're going to do that now. Going back to that same folder where I unzipped, I'm going to double click the installation package and I'll see that same message. Okay. So again, I want to open System Preferences and General tab, and it tells me that that package was blocked. So I'm going to open anyway and open. And there it is, and continue. And install, asking for my password. Install. Done. Okay, let's check it out and make sure that everything is as it should be. So we want to open Microsoft Word. We use Microsoft Word or any other text editor just to test, to see if the fonts are there. So I select my font options and I'm going to scroll down until I see Monlam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different fonts, and the Monlam Ushan 2 seems to be the font that's most popular. What will happen if I type now? It's selected. Will it work? No, because we haven't yet enabled the Tibetan keyboards. So let's do that. That's the very most important. So again, we're going to access that through opening the little Apple icon and System Preferences, and then we're going to Keyboard. So open Keyboard. Now, from these 5 selections, we want to open Input Sources, and we see that US is the only one there. So down here we have a little plus and a minus. We're going to plus, we want to add, and if we scroll down, we're looking for Monlam. Monlam does not appear in this list, but if we go right to the bottom to Others, now we see Monlam Bodyig. Version 3.0 is there, and we're going to add. Okay, now it's been added. We can close that window, and in the top right hand corner, perhaps you have your keyboard enabled. I think it's a good idea to. We'll have a quick look at that before we do that. System Preferences, Keyboard, and where is it? show input menu in menu bar. So we go to System Preferences and Keyboard, and then we want to look at the input sources and ensure that Show Input Menu in Menu Bar is ticked. As you can see, US is here. If I untick it, it disappears. See, it's gone now. So we will tick it. Okay, now let's go and click on that. And we'll see we've got a choice between US and a Monlam. Let's select a Monlam. Now we'll go back to our text editor and just check I'm using Ushan 2. Yes, it's still selected. I'll make it a little larger so we can see it clearly. And we see that our Tibetan keyboard is functional. Okay,